You're listening to The Sounds of Night.
I'm off!
Is that bloody
An audio
moth
fiction
again?
series from the world Little Nightmares.
Come on.
Chapter 1. The Workers in the Walls.
Your mom did.
Please, come in. How are we doing today, Noon?
Otto, what happens to his...
I'll have to think about that.
There, look! I'm off!
Is that bloody fort again?
There, look! I'm off!
Bloody moth again? I've lost my marbles.
Yes, but I never got the punch.
For a fortnight. For a fortnight. My marbles. I've lost my marbles.
Are you on drugs?
I'll have to think about that.
There, look! I'm off!
Is that bloody moth again?
7 nuclear missile strikes.
You're telling a joke?
Yes, but I never got the punchline.
I'll have to think about that.
There, look! I'm off!
Is that bloody moth again? In? Please, come in.
It's fear, it's fear.
You're telling a joke. You're telling a joke.